Hey guys, so today we are going to make this video. It's called Stuffed Animals Talk in Real Life. Now let's introduce Bluebly, hey. Olaf, hey. Ninji, hey. Woody, hey. Ninja Jr., hey. And Bluebly, hey. Now, before we move, guys, okay. Now, before we talk, the main character is Ninja Jr. and Ninji. Now, let's start the show. Walking on the streets, chicken all loud, making things fall, and that's the way I clown. Don't you say, talking all day. And my little sheets going woo, talking all day, never say hey, do the things and that's the way. Hoo, 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 hoo. Riding on these streets, hoo, 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 hoo. Beating all these cleats, rocking town, rocking my mo, make it sing, never say go. Hey guys, so what should we do today? I don't know. What should we do today? Hey guys, so what should we do today? What should we do today, guys? What should we do today? Comment below. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you. Hey, what do you think we should do today? I don't know. Hey, let's train. Yeah, they're gonna train. Pa, ha, 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 ha. That was weak. They're a little. So, hey. Put it in my pocket. Put it in my pocket. Hurry, hurry. Put it in my pocket. Ooh. Should we put this? No, that's my freeze gun. It's very, very rare and uncontrary. Uncontrary, he says. Please, uncontrary. Like, what is that? Hey guys, look, I just bought this new jacket. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Team meeting, everybody. Team meeting. Please sit. Please sit. Woody, sit. Ninja Jr., sit. Everybody, today I'm glad you came here. Because today I want all of you, I want us to talk about something. Now, this something is very, very particular. Onward and particular. Now, this is very particular. Always particular. Now, all of you have been very, very good today. But I just got this sick. Someone has been fighting. Who was it? Tell us now. Or I will give you a stab. Shing, 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 shing. I did it. I was fighting and training and then I did it. You would do something like this? How could you? How could he? How could he? How? I'm sorry, Kay. It had to be. Okay, Ninja, what do you want? Well, just give the guy a chance. Give him a chance, Ninja? Who are you? La 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 la. La 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 la. Okay, guys, the show is over. Come back next time. And see another part of the show. I hope you enjoyed it. What kind of sheets never comes down? Always see my friend. I'm talking real life, never goes twice. Yeah. Who are you telling me?